Nestled along the rugged coastline of Kastellorizo Island lies a hidden marvel, the Blue Cave. This enchanting spot is one of nature's most captivating secrets, drawing visitors from all over the world to witness its unique beauty. This natural wonder, known locally as Phokiali, is a sight to behold. The name Phokiali translates to Seal's Refuge, hinting at the cave's historical significance as a sanctuary for Mediterranean monk seals. Imagine a cavernous grotto, its entrance veiled by a curtain of cascading water. The sound of the water creates a serene ambience, inviting you to explore further into this mystical place. As you step inside, a world of ethereal beauty unfolds. The interior of the cave is bathed in a mesmerizing blue light, creating an almost dreamlike atmosphere that feels otherworldly. Sunlight floods through an underwater opening, illuminating the cave with an otherworldly blue glow. This natural phenomenon occurs when the sun's rays penetrate the water, refracting and reflecting to create a stunning visual effect. The water shimmers with an almost magical intensity, reflecting the light onto the cave walls. The interplay of light and water creates a dynamic, ever-changing display that captivates the senses. The cave's size is equally impressive. As you look around, you'll notice the vastness of the space, which adds to the sense of wonder and amazement. It stretches about 40 to 50 meters long and reaches heights of up to 30 meters, creating a cathedral-like atmosphere. The sheer scale of the cave is awe-inspiring, making you feel small in comparison to nature's grandeur. This spaciousness adds to the sense of awe and wonder, making you feel like you've entered a secret underwater kingdom. The Blue Cave is not just a visual spectacle, it's an experience that touches the soul, leaving a lasting impression on all who visit. The Blue Cave's Greek name, Phokiali, translates to Seal's Refuge. This name hints at the cave's history as a haven for Mediterranean monk seals. These elusive creatures, once abundant in the region, sought shelter and breeding grounds within the cave's protective embrace. While sightings of the endangered monk seals are rare today, their legacy lives on in the cave's name. The possibility of spotting one of these magnificent animals adds an element of excitement and anticipation to any visit. Keep a watchful eye out for any ripples or splashes near the cave entrance. You might just get lucky and catch a glimpse of these elusive creatures returning to their ancestral home. Reaching the Blue Cave requires an adventurous spirit and a boat ride. The journey itself is part of the allure, as you traverse the sparkling waters of the Aegean Sea. The anticipation builds as the boat glides closer to the mysterious entrance of the cave. Located on the south coast of Kastellorizo, the cave's entrance is accessible only by sea. This remote location adds to the cave's mystique, making it a hidden gem waiting to be discovered by those willing to venture off the beaten path. Small boats ferry visitors through the azure waters, offering glimpses of the island's dramatic coastline along the way. The journey is as picturesque as the destination, with the vibrant blue waters contrasting against the rugged cliffs and lush greenery of the island. For those seeking a more intimate experience, consider renting a kayak or paddleboard. This allows you to navigate the waters at your own pace, providing a sense of freedom and adventure that larger boats can't offer. Paddling your way to the cave allows you to set your own pace and explore the surrounding coves and inlets. Each turn reveals new vistas and hidden spots, making the journey as rewarding as the destination itself. However, it's essential to check the weather conditions before embarking on your journey. The sea can be unpredictable, and ensuring calm conditions is crucial for a safe and enjoyable trip. Calm seas are crucial for a safe and enjoyable experience. The serene waters not only make for a smoother ride but also enhance the beauty of the surroundings, allowing you to fully appreciate the natural splendor of the area. The best time to visit is during the summer months, when the waters are typically tranquil. The warm weather and clear skies create the perfect conditions for exploring the Blue Cave and its surroundings, making your journey to the Blue Realm an unforgettable adventure. While the Blue Cave is a sight to behold at any time of day, early morning offers a truly magical experience. The first light of dawn brings a unique charm to this natural wonder. As the sun rises over the horizon, it casts a golden glow that slowly intensifies. Its golden rays pierce through the underwater opening, creating a mesmerizing interplay of light and shadow. The sunlight paints the cave in a spectrum of vibrant hues, from deep blues to shimmering golds. The water dances with light, reflecting and refracting the sun's rays in a dazzling display, transforming the cave into a kaleidoscope of turquoise, emerald, and sapphire. Each color seems to come alive, creating a living painting that changes with every passing moment. The air seems to crackle with energy, as if the cave itself is waking up with the dawn, creating an atmosphere of pure magic and wonder. It's a moment that feels almost otherworldly, as if you've stepped into a dream. If you're an early riser, this is an experience you won't want to miss. Make sure to set your alarm, even if it means waking up before the sun, and head to the Blue Cave just after dawn. The journey itself is part of the adventure. As you approach the cave by boat, the anticipation builds. This is when the lighting is at its most dramatic, casting long shadows and highlighting the cave's natural formations. And the cave's colors are at their most vibrant. The early morning light brings out details that are hidden at other times of the day, revealing the cave's true beauty. Visitors often find themselves in awe, capturing photos and simply soaking in the breathtaking scenery. The intricate rock formations carved by centuries of natural forces are illuminated in a way that makes them appear almost sculptural. The calm water surface mirrors the cave's ceiling, creating a surreal, almost ethereal effect. As nature wakes up around you, the sounds of birds and the gentle lapping of waves add to the serene ambiance. Leaving the cave, you'll carry with you memories of a truly unique and magical experience, one that captures the essence of the Blue Cave's golden hour. Most boat tours to the Blue Cave depart from the picturesque harbor of Magisti, the island's main town. These tours typically last a few hours and offer ample time to explore the cave's interior and soak in its otherworldly beauty. Some tours also include stops at nearby attractions such as the secluded beaches of Agios Georgios Island. This tiny islet, located just a short boat ride from the Blue Cave, is a slice of paradise. Imagine pristine sandy shores lapped by crystal clear waters, perfect for swimming, snorkeling, or simply basking in the Mediterranean sun. It's the perfect way to extend your adventure and discover more of the region's hidden treasures. Kastellorizo, the easternmost island of Greece, is a tiny jewel in the Aegean Sea. Located closer to Turkey than mainland Greece, this remote island offers a unique blend of Greek and Turkish influences, evident in its architecture, cuisine, and culture. Despite its small size, just 9 square kilometers, Kastellorizo boasts a rich history and a surprising number of attractions. The island has been ruled by various empires over the centuries, leaving behind a fascinating tapestry of cultural influences. Today, Kastellorizo exudes a laid-back charm that's hard to resist. With its colorful houses, crystal-clear waters, and friendly locales, it's the perfect destination for those seeking an off-the-beaten-path Greek island experience. While the Blue Cave is undoubtedly the star attraction, Kastellorizo has much more to offer. Explore the charming streets of Magisti, lined with colorful neoclassical mansions and traditional tavernas serving up delicious Greek fare. History buffs won't want to miss Castello Rosso, a 14th-century Crusader castle perched atop a hill overlooking the harbor. The views from the top are simply breathtaking, offering panoramic vistas of the island and the Turkish coastline in the distance. For a glimpse into the island's past, visit the Archaeological Museum, home to a collection of artifacts dating back to ancient times. The museum's exhibits offer a fascinating insight into the island's long and storied history. The Blue Cave on Kastellorizo Island is a true natural wonder, a hidden gem waiting to be discovered. Whether you're seeking adventure, relaxation, or a glimpse into Greece's natural beauty, this enchanting island has something to offer everyone. So, pack your bags, grab your swimsuit, and set sail for an unforgettable adventure to Kastellorizo. Explore the Blue Cave's ethereal beauty, soak up the island's laid-back charm, and create memories that will last a lifetime. This tiny Greek island is waiting to welcome you with open arms.